Have you just started studying for the LSAT? Here's a great place to start. Learn the parts of the argument with me. First, every argument has at least one premise and one main conclusion. A premise is a statement designed to support another statement. It's making you more likely to believe that other statement. This can be a fact, evidence, citing an expert, etc. For example, if I said Prep for Success is a great LSAT tutoring company, I could provide support for that, my premise, by saying, we have over 300 five-star reviews from our clients. It's making you more likely to believe that conclusion. And that's what that is. That's our main conclusion. That's the statement receiving the support. Additionally, arguments can get more complicated when you add more than one premise or you add additional parts of the argument. Two more parts of the argument to be familiar with are context and intermediate conclusions. Context is just a statement providing background information so you can understand what we're discussing in the argument. For example, I could add context if I told you Prep for Success provides one-on-one virtual LSAT tutoring. Now you know more about the topic of the argument. Additionally, an intermediate conclusion is something that's performing both roles. It is both a premise and a conclusion. It is receiving support from a premise and then going on to provide support to our main conclusion. The main conclusion only receives support, and that's how you know the difference. I could make this an intermediate conclusion if I added, therefore, you should book a 30-minute free consultation with us. Now, my context is that we're a one-on-one virtual tutoring company. My premise is that we have 300 five-star reviews. My intermediate conclusion that's supported by that is that we're a great tutoring company, and that's going on to provide support to the idea that you should book a free consultation with us.